and the strength it brings.
Well, that is why our Pegasus 9 is being bringing together an increasing number of Team Elite Pegasus leaders from diverse fields, languages, and cultural backgrounds. This dinner is not just a joyous gathering, it is also an opportunity to draw greater strength and inspiration.
Next, we would like to invite this special guest, knowing that success is not about luck, but about perseverance. She strives to break through her former self with extraordinary perseverance and determination to challenge herself.
She is keenly aware of the strength brought about by every opportunity and uses it effectively to live a wonderful life through her relay career.
Pero more people, new face, karamihan hindi na kilala. Kahit ako hindi kilala sa inyo rin. Alam mo, D-Way is very bigger na ngayon. I want to share in English, but my English not good, my Tagalog malapot. Pero better Tagalog. Better than me. Because I live here in Philippines almost 30 years. Since 18 years from China come to Philippines. But after almost my teenager, my life or here in Philippines is spent here. So Philippines is my house, is my country, is my and I go to Japan 5 years now, but I just like Philippines. I want to come to Philippines. Yeah, just I want to sharing my some story. How this the way how to change my life. Sana yung story ko kaya motivate this room. Kahit one people only enough tonight. So I want to share. Before, I'm not joined in D-Way before. I'm just ordinary people, very ordinary people. I just open a shop and 9 to umaga to gabi, only one shop. And I stay this one shop 10 years. I apply my new passport. And I just show my passport, and after 10 years, my passport, no more one finger I'm chopped. I'm stamped no more. After 10 years, I need change my passport. Never I'm stamped. So, it's meaning my life this 10 years is almost black and white. No meaning. I cannot remember. My life is 10 years only in Tahan, 2 house only. So this is my life is so black and white. No meaning, no value. So always I look for a career can let me change life to colorful my life. Sometimes I just walk in the Ongpin street. I always think my life cannot like this. I always think my life is beautiful and valuable and meaningful. So yeah, when I look for the D-Way, my life, this started beautiful journeys. So, my friend introduced me this product, but I always reject. First time I go to D-Way in the Amukyo, no, before, because the office is so small. So I just look one product only. I think this product only can give a big sales, can give you a big market. So that's the time I'm not believe. But my upline just pinipilit sa akin. Pinipilit, it is very good. Pinipilit hanggang airport bigay sa akin ng product. After pagbalik ko sa bahay, bigay ko sa mother ko, sa ate ko, almost 4 days, nakita ko sila almost change. After, I want to take also. So after, hanggang talaga, decide ko lang gusto na yun. Never kahit sino hindi kaya stop sa akin. So, I go to Singapore again to take stock because the 10 years ago, in D-Way, Philippines, no more office, no more stocks, no more leaders. I just started by myself. So, I go to Singapore and back and learning in the Singapore and back. And until James Chong, our Philippine manager James Chong, come to Philippines to cooperate to us. So, that day, always James lagi tanong sa akin, pag-achieve ko ng 1 star, 2 star, 3 star, lagi siya tanong sa akin, ano sa next mo? Sa next, sabi ko, pabo. Pag lahat sabihin ko na ba sa totoo ang achieve, hindi ako lang sabi sa kanya, pabo, pero hindi. Pag sabi ko, James, next is pabo. Started agad ko. After achieve ko na pabo, punta si James ulit dito, cooperate kami sa OPP, lahat. Si James tanong sa akin, ano ka sa next ng target mo? Sabi ko, Pegasus. After nang sabihin ko, talaga, parang yung credit ko, hindi ko pwede sabihin ko, tapos walang credit. Because very protect yung credit ko sa sarili. So after, achieve ko ulit din sa Pegasus din. Almost after ng Pegasus, nakita ko, pasok ko sa Pegasus 9. Katulad sa June, itong June, mayroong Pegasus 9 tayo sa Bangkok, tama ba? Yeah. So, after that, ka-join ko sa Pegasus 9, totally, I feeling I am millionaire. I'm very proud sarili. Kaya ko pasok, ganun ang social, ang mga events. So, yun, lalo motivate sa akin. Gusto, very close dito, company. So, after mga achieve ko lang Pegasus 1, 2, 3 until Pegasus 9. So, after na-diff ko, because si William natalaka ako sa Japan. So, almost 5 years hindi ako balik dito. Kaya marami, mga new face, new people. Hindi nang masyado kilala na yun. Pero, ngayon, my daughter, Catherine, is the third here in Philippines. Siya sabi sa akin, tapos anak siya sa Singapore aalal. Sabi ko, kung gusto kang iwan ka sa Singapore, pwede ka iwan doon trabaho. 1 month, maybe 5,000 Singapore dollars, or you choose, you want back to here. Siya sabi sa akin, siya many time na iisip na siya, gusto siya lang choose D-Way. Because nakita siya sa D-Way, very big potential. Because siya kita D-Way can change one people ang character. Because D-Way can change the life. If choose siya lang trabaho lang only, hanggang matanda, hindi ka siya kaya bili lang luxury car. Katulad kanina yung video, nakita mo yung before ng mga leaders, lahat may workers, housewife, bankrupts, lahat nag-successful dito, lahat change ang big car, big house here. Nakita mo yon? So, almost 10 years, nakita siya, change ang buhay kami. So, siya decide, gusto siya lang dito, start sa Philippines, D-Way in Philippines. Here lang start siya. So, sabi ko, choose ka sa Japan, choose ka sa China, because she can speak Chinese, English, Filipino. But siya choose here, Philippines, because he born in Philippines. So, I hope my story, because I just housewife, I just ordinary people, I can do it. I think in this room, many people, the language is better than me, tama? Yeah, so I think kayo mas magaling kaysa sa akin. Kayo sa akin kaya, kayo kaya pa rin. Yeah. Tama? So I hope kung D-Way kaya change sa akin, very ordinary people, kaya kayo rin, because mindset is very important, and attitude.
Yes.
I think I good here sa mindset, I good here sa attitude, and hindi ako lang marami isip. Lagi ako lang continue, hindi give up. Kahit marami naka-stop sa akin, ayaw ko give up pa rin. Sa isip ko, this is my life. Ito ang buhay ko sarili. Ayaw ko sino hawak sa akin ng buhay ko. Sarili ko, hawak ko yung buhay ko. Kaya ko achieve anyone I can go. Anyone I can do. So, wag tayo lang stop tayo sarili. Dapat tayo meron sarili ang decision. Ano gusto ka future? Ano gusto ka lang achieve? Because nakita ko buong mundo, walang isang platform kaya change ang buhay mo. Only D-Way. Wala. Only D-Way can change your life. Only D-Way. I think never. So I want to thankful na D-Way. I think sometimes naisip ko, kung walang D-Way, ano itsura ko ngayon? Siguro, sobrang natanda na ko. Siguro, hindi ko kaya ko lahat na yun. Siguro, hindi ko kaya ko bili big house. Hindi ko kaya ko bili big cars. Pero sa D-Way, lahat dreams naka-achieve ko. Lahat. Hindi ko, before natala ko dito sa, first time natala ko sa year in Philippines. Pero hanggang time, hindi ko isip, kaya ko, one day, D-Way can dito sa Philippines, kaya ganun kalaki na yun. Kalaki na mo kanina, 1 star, 2 star, 3 star. Pabo, Phoenix.
150 isa.
And very many big leaders here stage, ang chance ang sila buhay. So, Dwayne, managers tayo buhay. Walang tayong iniiwan, walang tayo nang iniisip, walang tayo nang hinihintay. Walang hintay mong mga next paano tayo. Sabihin mo sarili, kaya mo si Diane Jemang, kaya din ako. Tama ba? Huwag na tayo stop. Mindset and attitude can give you very successful dito sa Dwayne. Hindi upnine, hindi downline, hindi boss, hindi James. Only you only. You change your mindset. You can success here in this platform. So, itong career, hindi about sino, about tayo sarili. Tayo is a boss. Tayo is sarili ang boss here in Philippines. So, huwag tayo lang hintay. Sana yung story ko can change your life. Hindi ko kaya ko magaling ang salita, hindi ko kaya magaling ang, pero masipag ko. Pero, hindi ako lang takot. Pero, very lakas ko loob din. Yun lang important, kung lakas ka loob lang. Tingnan natin si Roy Buntong. Last 9 years ako, 2 years ako. Ngayon siya lang, yung sa magazine cover. Palapak natin kay Roy Buntong. Siya, kaya din. Si Roy Buntong kaya, Ashen kaya, si Rex Mulan kaya, si Fred kaya. Tayo kaya lahat. So, then, tayo lahat sabi, I can do it! Yeah, this is my sharing. My name is Diane Jemang.